Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Notion as your personal recipe book on your PC. First, create new page and title it something like My Recipes. Next, insert a table database, add columns such as recipe name, category, ingredients, cooking time, and instructions. Now, start adding your favorite recipes as new entries. You can include step-by-step instructions in the instruction column for clarity. To make it more visual, switch the view to gallery view and upload an image for each dish. You can also use tags in the category column like breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert to filter recipes easily. Finally, decorate the page with a cozy cover image and an icon to give it that home kitchen feel. Now, you have a beautifully organized recipe collection right in Notion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.